Looking for an easy glute exercise that can help you create the bubble butt you always wanted? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lind, Rehab and Wellness Specialist at Rehab and Revive. Stay tuned and find out what it is next. So why is this lateral step up exercise helpful? The lateral step ups targets the gluteus medius, which is essential in a stable gait because it provides opposite leg stability and prevents your hip from dropping. If you have hip drop issues, ultimately your gait cycle will be affected and you will lose stability in your hip, your pelvis, and your lower back. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, we have a special guest, my dog Delta, and you've seen her and sometimes floating in the background and all that fun stuff, and she just wanted to hang out with daddy this fine day, and we're going to talk about lateral step ups and getting that bubble, but we got to get this side a little bit more rotund. All right, so that's what happens. This gluteus medius, just in general, it comes from here, right? And really, if you kind of just check it, if you lift your knee up like in marching, this should be naturally tightening up. And that's going to be the key here. So what's going to happen, I like to tell people this, to kind of do a natural thing where you stick your finger in your belly button and you should be marching. And if you're marching in place and this is moving side to side or sloshing side to side, that's a no-go. That's because you don't have a whole lot of stability and control from this bubble butt muscle, this gluteus medius. And so we want to be able to just march in place, and this should stay in place. We've done this march test before, but yeah, if your belly button's sliding or going side to side, and I can tell you, at least today, it's not that bad, but there's some days my hips just stink and I'm just drifting and drifting. So the lateral step up, no different. So we're gonna go right here, and we'll go, basically what you need to think about, you wanna go up before you go across. Now, a lot of people who are weak in the gluteus medius, just kind of naturally, they'll drift away. They'll almost go like this, like diagonal. But in a perfect world, and if I had a stick here to hold myself or a rail, you can totally do that too. You want to go up, right? So we're going to really focus, since I don't have my stick here, or I can have my hand back here, but I want to go up. So, and you want to think of this belly button just kind of going up, and I'll just put my hand here as a barrier, but in general, I want to go up and then over, right? So it's up and then over. So it's up and then over and back down. So it's going to go up, and that's really the lateral step up, is I'm going up and over this way. So up and over, and this muscle, if you want to put your hand there, is engaged up and then over, up and then over, right? From the side view, it looks a little bit like this, right? So let Delta hang out here. So I'm gonna go up and over, so it's up, and then notice how like my hip isn't just drifting that way. So a lot of you who have that hollowness, you'll notice a lot of strain or compression that's going on here. So, and if you can't go up all that high and you just drop back down, that's okay too. So if you can't go all the way up and you're like, I'd rather have you do these short range ones first till you get the strength. So it's up, then over, right? And so I would argue, if I just put this now, that this should be a lot, and I can tell you that this is a lot more stable. It just, I'm like, if I have these this tile here, I'm just kind of, I can do it unconsciously. And then so in our gait cycle, we're just in this natural thing. This belly button shouldn't be kind of like a, what do you call it? Like a compass going like this or that. It just needs to be going north. And that's basically what it is. So that's the lateral step up exercise. Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.